Here's how to change everything about your life. And I mean literally everything about your life. If you are tired of the way things are, truly tired, I mean not just a little bit irritated, not just a little bit uncomfortable. I mean if you're truly ready to leave where you have been for so long and actually get to a much, much better place than where you are right now, then listen to what I have to say. Because everything can literally change. It really doesn't matter how old you are. I know you've been on the planet a long time and things have always been the same way. The future is always seemingly like the past, and you're in this vicious cycle, spinning your wheels, going nowhere, staying within the realm of self-defeat, staying within the realm where it's difficult to pay bills, relationships never last, you never seem to get ahead, nobody ever takes you seriously, you've given up on your dreams a long time ago, you can't ever reach your goals. Everything literally in your life can actually change, and it's not as difficult as you might think, and that's the key. What is it that you think? Imagine this for me for just 1 second. Two people looking at an airplane. They're about to board the airplane to fly from New York to LA. One doesn't care. Two is terrified of airplanes. The one who doesn't care will get on the airplane and sleep for half the ride. The other person who's terrified of airplanes is going to white knuckle that ride all the way to LA. Two people look at a roller coaster. One is scared to death of them. The other one loves them. One person is going to release endorphins, right? Endorphin, it's like a morphine. They're releasing a drug that gives them the ecstasy, the love of life that they desire because they love the roller coaster. The other person sitting right next to them because they dread the roller coaster, because they fear the roller coaster, they're going to release cortisol and adrenaline, stress hormones that are going to damage their body. Now imagine everything in your life, every relationship, your own personal identity, how you see yourself, your situation, your job, everything. Imagine everything about your life is the same as the person who's afraid to fly a plane or who dreads the roller coaster. How is it then that you live your life? What's the net effect of seeing your life the same way they see the airplane, the same way they see the roller coaster? Now, granted, you're not scared to death to wake up every day, but you're not looking forward to it necessarily. You're staying in this perpetual cycle where you're just trying to endure it. You're just trying to survive it. You're not thriving. You're not excited. New things are not on the horizon. You're not getting things accomplished. You're not seeing transformation and changes in finance, career, relationships, your physical health. You're not seeing changes anywhere. And add to that all the craziness of the world, all of the things that's making everybody upset in society. Now that's creeping in too to add to what is already a compounded dilemma in your life. What's the key then? Changing the way you see the airplane, changing the way you see the roller coaster, changing the way you see your everyday, changing the way you see yourself. Now, this is a rebuilding process. It's not something that happens overnight, but it can happen. In fact, I guarantee you in the next 7 days, in the next 3 days, in the next 24 hours, you can get a little taste of this, which will then encourage you to keep going. Because we're always motivated by results, aren't we? When we see results, it reinforces our commitment to applying those principles of change. So here's my advice. Change first the way you see yourself. And that means just the chatter that's going on in your head. Get down for yourself, write them down, just some simple mantras. What's a mantra? A mantra is something you say to yourself over and over again. Well, I've never done that before. You do it all the time, 24/7, every single day. You do that. You have things that just repeat in your mind and they reinforce where you are. Now, you use them for protection. You use them to justify where you are, but they are equally damaging as someone constantly berating you from the outside. We should not say these things to ourselves. So do for yourself a list of simple mantras, simple things that you can repeat, self-talk as they say, that you can say to yourself over and over and over again, that you are capable, that you are able to endure, you are able to create something better for yourself. You say, I am able to overcome anything that I'm facing. I'm stronger than I realize. Every day I wake up, now things are going to change. I'm going to achieve my goals. I'm going to eat the right things every day. I'm going to make slow and progressive changes to transform my life. I'm going to judge every thought that comes into my mind. Yes, I'm going to miss some, and I'm not going to feel bad about it. I'm going to get right back to it as if I never faltered. I'm a winner. I'm an achiever. I'm a doer. I'm a good person, and I'm going to continue to serve and empower others in this world. I'm going to be that beacon of light, and people will be attracted to me. People will want to help me. People will want to come alongside me to help me reach my goals. And I am determined to achieve everything that I have the potential to achieve. Now, if you've got conversations like that running through your mind constantly, it's going to take some time for you to get past what you see every day, the difficult places you live, what you have to endure, the problematic people in your life, abusive people in your life. It's going to take some time, but if you'll keep it up, you're just going to get stronger and stronger and stronger. Like that little boy who eventually got bigger and stronger than his father, then he could beat up his father. Not that you need to beat anybody up, but you get the principle. The more you keep practicing this, the more you keep saying to yourself over and over, you're changing the way you will interpret or give meaning to what happens to you. Now you will no longer see it as a roller coaster that you dread. Now you will no longer see it as an airplane that you're afraid of. You'll see your regular circumstances that have terrified you, that have resisted you. You'll see them as smaller than you. Because the bigger you become, the smaller the resistance becomes. So let's enhance yourself. Let's strengthen yourself right here, mentally. The thoughts that run through your mind, the images that run through your mind, and I guarantee you're going to begin to love life and see the changes that you desire. Can you dig that? I hope you can. This is CJ, the Metal Motivator. And remember, in whatever you do, don't suck metal up.